So yesterday we had the PlayStation Showcase 2023 and it was hyped up to the brim. People were speculating that we're gonna see Silent Hills, even The Last of Us multiplayer. Although we didn't get none of that, it was a fairly decent show. We had the reveal of the Spider-Man 2 gameplay. We even had Metal Gear Solid, which was pretty awesome. But really what intrigued me to make this video has to be the hardware portion. But first up, I want to talk about the PlayStation earbuds, and the market for these are for the casual gamer. You have gamers out there who turn on their PS4 or PS5 and just join the chat and just chill. They talk to their friends, they on the computer, but they just use the PlayStation as a social device, basically. And occasionally you might hop on a game, then hop right off. Now, actually, I did review some gaming earbuds. These are from Epos. I forgot the model number of these. The GTW270. I love these. Although I lost the dongle for these. They're here in the room somewhere. But it makes total sense to have gaming earbuds. Total sense. Although the sound quality isn't gonna match up to like a over-ear headset, this is just for chatting with your friends without having a big bulky headset that sometimes can be even uncomfortable for long periods of time. Having this is just gonna make the most sense. And yes, these are compatible for iPhone and Android, so you can use it for other devices as well. And I like how they have this charging case that slides to the side and slide out. And of course, it matches with the aesthetics of the PS5. So I'm gonna test these out. I'm definitely gonna be getting it. I might either make a video on it or do a headset roundup, which most likely I'm gonna do for the summertime. So you guys don't wanna miss that if you're looking for a gaming headset. And the time this recording, I don't know the pricing yet. Hopefully they competitively price. I'm predicting they're gonna be maybe $80, $70, maybe the same price as the controller, but we gotta wait and see how Sony are gonna price these. What I really wanna talk about is the PlayStation Handheld, Project Q. This one caught me off guard because we've been seeing rumors that Sony is gonna be making a handheld, and here it is. Now, it's not no ordinary handheld. Sony is making a dedicated remote play PlayStation handheld device. This is something that you will need to have a Wi-Fi connection, so you can't go outside, play your PS5 games. You can't do that. You will have to be connected to a stable enough Wi-Fi connection to actually play or use it. Now, I think this is a very niche product because some people don't like streaming games or cloud gaming in general. You know, this is gonna be very tough in the market because we have things like the Backbone. This is the Backbone 1. I reviewed this 2 years ago, which time is flying. Can't believe it's 2 years ago. And this is a very rock solid device. It is $100, and essentially you take your iPhone or Android and you can just clip it onto the Backbone. And now you have yourself a controller with the screen in the middle. And more than likely, your smartphone display is gonna have a higher quality sound, higher quality display. And let's not forget, your phone is data. You can be able to connect 5G, LTE, and you could be able to play your PS5 or PS4 games right out on the go. So from that aspect, it is a downgrade, but if you a person that don't have a smartphone, which is kind of rare, then this could be very valuable, but you will need to have some sort of hotspot if you want to take it out on the go. Now, Sony announced this at a perfect time because I am reviewing the Absolute gaming handheld. Now, this is a cloud/streaming handheld. So we have many gaming handhelds in the market focusing on cloud gaming or even dedicated gaming devices. I would want to see the price because the price of this, the Absolute gaming handheld, is $209. If the Backbone costs $100, maybe this could probably cost $150. But do you see yourself buying a remote play dedicated device? It's gonna be a little bit of a tough sell because of your smartphone, your iPad. You could do it on another device and pair up a DualSense controller and have the same exact experience, essentially. Or even bring in something like this, the Backbone, which doesn't require any batteries. You just connect your iPhone to it and you're good to go. But you know, the controller is not as comfortable as the DualSense. And let me remind you, the Backbone, you can also stream your Xbox Game Pass games. You could be able to stream whatever's on your PC. And same thing with dedicated gaming hardware devices such as the Absolute. So this is a very tough market. Now, my price, I'm predicting Sony is gonna price this between 100 to 150. Anything higher than that is way too expensive. But needless to say, I am gonna be reviewing Project Q, aka PlayStation Handheld, and the PlayStation earbuds. You guys definitely want to subscribe to the channel because I am going to be covering that. And I have a plethora of content coming out. I'm working really hard today. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a simple day. Peace.